Hello and welcome to another install video with Boomba Racing. Today we'll be installing the Can-Am Maverick X3 Turbo Blow-Off Valve. Remove the clutch air inlet. Loosen the clamp on the clutch air outlet. Cut the zip ties, remove the hose hanger screw. Remove the vent line from the hanger. Open the hanger. Remove the hose clamp by the throttle body. Remove the hose clamp by the intercooler. Remove the charge pipe. Prepare the Boomba Racing blow-off valve installation. Mark the engine side of the charge pipe 2 3/4 inch from the bend. Mark the charge pipe 2 1/4 inch from the first mark. Wrap masking tape around the charge pipe. Tape should be outside of the marks. Cut the charge pipe. Push pieces of the charge pipe on the blow-off valve flanges. Keep the horizontal marks aligned. Install the provided hose clamps on both sides of the blow-off valve. Tighten the hose clamps slightly. Remove the vacuum port plug from the intake manifold. Install the vacuum hose adapter and secure it to the intake manifold. Install the charge pipe. Close the hanger and secure it to the frame. Reinstall the vent line. Secure the vent lines to the hanger with the zip ties. Tighten the hose clamp by the throttle body. Tighten the hose clamp by the intercooler. Rotate the blow-off valve and hose clamp so they don't touch any of the vent lines. Tighten the hose clamps. Install the vacuum line from the intake to the blow-off valve. Secure vacuum line with zip ties. Install the clutch air outlet. Secure hose clamp. Install the clutch air inlet. And you're done! Thanks for joining us today for another install with Boomba Racing. Subscribe for more installs, sound clips, and more.